Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to give a short demonstration of how you can edit, how you can add values into a table that is already existing. So for us to do that, we use the command update in CQL, Cassandra Query Language. Now, as you may notice, the update statement is also the same statement that is used in SQL to update records in a table. So I'll just look at the tables that I have here. I'll say desk tables, just to list the tables that I have in my keyspace code class. If you have not watched the videos where I was creating the keyspace and where I created the table code class list, please, I urge you to go back and watch those two videos. So I have a table code class list here, and I just want to see what is in this table. So I'll use the select statement to just display what is in that table code class list. Press enter there, and this is how my table is looking. So I have records of 4 students here, and as you can see, the age column, all the cells under the age column are having the value null. In other words, they are empty. So we want to fill all those cells with something. So we will use the keyword update in Cassandra, or in Cassandra Query Language rather, to update all those cells. So let us go ahead and do that. So we'll say update, the name of the table, which is class list. And as we are update, we set the age to, let's say for the first student there with student ID 2025-01, we set the age to 25, and we say where student ID, where student ID is equals to 2025-01. There we put our semicolon at the end. So we press enter, and it means that our statement has gone through. We have updated that cell for student 2025-01. It means their age is now set to 25. Let's just go ahead and look at that. I'll just recall the select statement there and press enter. So as we can see, the cell for the age of the student with student ID 2025-01 has now been updated to 25. So we'll record the update statement and do the same for the other students. And the student with student ID 2025-02, we'll set it to 24. Press enter. The student ID 2025-02, their age, let's set it to 21. And the student with the student ID 2025-02, let's set it to 23, and we press enter. And I'll record the statement to select all the records from the class list again and press enter. And I can see now I have only one student left where we need to update their age. That's student 2025-04. So we are going to set that age. Let's say the age is 24 again. We press enter, and we record the select statement again. We press enter, and we can see now all the students have been updated in terms of their age. So that's how we can update records in a table, ladies and gentlemen, using the update statement. And even if you want to update data that is already existing, for example, you want to update the surname of the student with student ID 2025-02, you can just say update, the name of the table, class list, set. Let's say their surname doesn't have to be Gregory. It was entered there in error. The student name is Peter and the surname is Gregory. And let's say Gregory was entered in error. We want to set their surname to something else. Set surname to, then we put it in quotes. Since this is text, the data type is text, we put it in quotes to show that it is a string. So we put the correct surname that we want to use for this student. Let's say it's Peters, Peter Peters. That's the surname. And we say where the student ID, where the student ID is equals to 2025-02. So we press enter, and this will update the name, or the surname rather, of that student 2025-02 to Peters. So, and if I can record the select statement again and press enter, we can see that Peter is now called Peter Peters, not Peter Gregory anymore. All right, so that's all about the update statement. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like the video, please do like, please do comment, and please do share the video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.